Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Temu app. First, you need to check system requirements. Before installing the Temu app, it's important to ensure that your device meets the necessary system requirements. For Android users, you need to have Android version 5.0 or later installed to your device. For iOS users, make sure your device runs iOS 12 or above for optimal performance. Once you've confirmed that your device is compatible, it's time to download the app. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Temu. Tap the install and wait for the download process to complete. The installation will begin shortly after. After installation is complete, locate the Temu app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to open. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen prompting you to create an account if you're new. Simply enter your email address or phone number and follow any additional instructions provided in-app to set up your account securely. Once you've registered successfully, take a moment to familiarize yourself with Temu's features. Browse through various categories such as fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. Make sure of filters for better navigation. Sort items based on popularity or price range depending on what you're looking for. Now that you're all set up within the app and comfortable navigating through its offerings, it's time for some shopping. Select an item that catches your eye. Choose any option like size or color if applicable before adding it to your cart. Once ready, proceed through checkout by following prompts for payment methods. Don't forget any discount codes available. And that's all. You've successfully installed and navigated through the Temu app like a pro. Now, enjoy exploring great deals right at your fingertips while sharing this guide with friends who might also want into these fantastic savings. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.